Hello guys! We transferred here in another pool. This pool is so cold! Dito kamay. Ilalamig na naman kami dito. Wow! 10 minutes lang kami. Abo na ni May. Katalsot sa lipot guys. Nilipot mo rin si Myra.
Paano rin nakita naman kanina?
Basi Ramon nga ni guys. Yay! Welcome guys to Nature Hot Spring Resort in Irosin, Sorsogon. Sarap! Parang ayoko pang umuwi. Another. Woo! Sarap! Sarap guys. Parang bitin pa ako. Gusto ko may 2 days. Guys. Sarap. Sulitin. Dumating kasi kami kagabi 8 o'clock na traffic pa kami. 3 hours guys yung biyahe namin. Dapat nag-check-in kami 12 noon to 12 noon. Give me water. Woo. Tubig sa tubig. Yan, thank you. Inom muna kami ni Mai. Drink more water to make a glowing skin. To make your skin glowing. More water, guys. Pauwi na kami, guys. Bye! See you again. Nature Hot Spring.